Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today let me show you how to remove a vehicle from your Geico auto insurance policy through the Geico mobile app in 2025. Alright, this is going to be a quick one. We're not going to waste much time on this topic at all. Just going to give you guys a very quick step-by-step guide on how to get this done. So let's jump straight into it. Now, the first thing you're going to do is to open the Geico mobile app. So go ahead and open the mobile app on your smartphone or tablet. And if you don't have it, you can get that from the Google Play Store for Android devices, or you could get that from the App Store for iOS devices. So once you have the app and you open that up, the next step is going to be to log into your account. So go ahead and log into your account using your username and your password. And once you're logged in, you just want to click on policy details and then select the policy that includes the vehicle that you want to remove. And the next step is going to be to click on vehicles. So go ahead and click on vehicles and then select the specific vehicle that you want to remove. And once that's done, just click on remove vehicle and then just confirm that you indeed want to remove that vehicle from your policy. And once that's done, you can review and confirm the changes to your policies, just to confirm that the vehicle has indeed been removed. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how to remove a vehicle from your Geico auto insurance policy through the Geico mobile app in 2025. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I'll see you guys in the next one.